So, you're considering Melotti Media for your content marketing plan. Well, that's fantastic news. We can definitely help you here. So, my name is Chris from Melotti Media, and together with my team, we help businesses and clients just like you to help build out a content marketing plan. And so, what that looks like is basically we have a discussion and we talk about what's important to your brand, what content themes, and what customers we need to target. And then what we do is my team and I go out and research all of the different topics and what's trending, what's SEO optimized and so forth, as well as the channels and type of content you need. And then we put it together in a plan that we give to you, and then you can execute it. Of course, if you need help writing it, we can do that for you as well. But in terms of the marketing plan service, we can build all of that so you and your team have a clear-cut strategy for the next 6 months to 12 months in order to execute on your content marketing plan and strategy. So if you need a content marketing plan done and dusted for you so that you have a roadmap and a blueprint to go forward and succeed with content marketing, contact us at Melotti Media. We can help you.